Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Driving in Jamaica. Today we're in downtown Kingston. We're on Ocean Drive or Ocean Boulevard, and we're looking at some of the best oceanfront property in Jamaica. On the left is the UDC corporate office, and on the right, that's the Kingston Harbour. So can you imagine if you rent an office in that building and you look out and see this beautiful harbour? Very nice. On the left is a residential building, apartments for rent. And then a white building on the left that's being renovated is a hotel. Not sure what the name is, but it used to be the Oceana Hotel. And on the right now is a restaurant complex, Ocean 7. Has a lot of restaurants and stuff in it. And of course it sits on the Kingston Harbour, so you can imagine the view. Very popular establishment. On the left now is a Jamaica Conference Center, which is the second largest conference center in Jamaica. It's where you got to have all the big functions. And then probably the most popular location in downtown Kingston, the Bank of Jamaica, which is literally the Bank of Jamaica. This is where they keep all the money, etc. for Jamaica. We're going to turn around and look. You can see very secure building. It's not open to the public, meaning you can't go in there and open a bank account, etc. They actually don't want much of the public, a lot of persons from the public coming in there. So they do very few transactions. Okay, on the left is a Kingston Harbour. So you can see the view. Very relaxing and area. Okay, that building all the way at the end, that's the new head office for Digicel. It's Digicel's head office in Jamaica, and it's also their head office for all their operations in the Caribbean. Okay, you're coming up to it on the right now, there you go. And you can see the view of the harbour on the left. That white building is the UDC head office, and UDC is a government agency that rents out and manages a lot of the government infrastructure in Jamaica. Here we just passed the intersection of King Street. And then this is the intersection with, oh my gosh, what's the name of this road now? The name of that road just slipped me. But it's a one-way that leads from Parade down to Ocean Boulevard. Okay, that building on the right with the black glass, that's the Scotia building. On the left is the Jamaica Conference Center, and we're on Ocean Boulevard, and straight across the light is Duke Street. If we were to turn left, that would be Port Royal Street. Today is a Sunday, so you're not going to see a lot of traffic on the roads today. Okay, so we're now on Duke Street and we're heading back towards National Hero Circle, the crossroads area. Now, Duke Street has a lot of offices, commercial offices. This part of downtown Kingston is mostly office buildings, corporate offices, those kind of things. If you go further down, that would take us to more like the wholesales, the stores, retail stores that sell stuff, but mostly wholesales. And then further down, that would take us to the residential areas. Now, the most famous or popular building on Duke Street is probably Garden House. That is where the Parliament of Jamaica meets. This intersection we're coming up on is East Queen Street. And Duke Street is a one-way that runs in this direction. Downtown has a lot of one-ways, so you have to be very careful if you're driving on there for the first time, if you're not familiar with the different roads. Yeah, this building coming up on the left now, this is Garden House. And this is where the Parliament meets. George William Garden House, that's the official name. So we're on Duke Street heading towards National Hero Circle. That's back towards Crossroads. This building on the left that's abandoned, that was the original TOJ office, Telecommunications of Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching the channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.